I'm sorry for making you wait.
Oh, no, it's not a problem.
Yeah, where you headed?
The gym is a few streets away from here.
Oh, okay. Can I join you?
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay. But we need to slow the pace down.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll work with your pace then.
All right. Thank you so much.
For?
For this morning.
Oh, come on, it's nothing.
You know you can come over to my place for breakfast?
Oh, no, I'm sorry I have to decline.
Decline? Why?
You will be late for work.
Oh, okay. What about dinner?
Dinner, I will be coming back today late, so I don't think that's possible.
Oh, I see. Your work must require a lot of your time, right?
A whole lot of my time. See, I have to be on my way now. I'll be in the office in 1 hour, so I'll see you later. Bye.
Yeah.
Hey babes, what's up?
Yes, I don't know. This shoot your shot thing, I'm really worried.
Why?
What if he's married? What if he's in a serious relationship? What if he doesn't ever look my way? What if I just end up looking desperate and cheap? What if he says no? What if...
Babe, calm down. Are you listening to me?
Okay.
Listen, a whole lot of what ifs is going to keep popping up if you keep asking these questions. Babes, you should know by now that a man that gets worried over silly things like this do not get things started. And besides, babes, you're just shooting your shot. You're not killing anybody.
I know, but I'm going to look desperate now.
Desperation is mediocrity. Daring is bravery. Besides, if it is desperation or shameful for a woman to get a no when she trusts a guy, how do you think men feel when they get no constantly from women?
I understand, but I mean, it's a man's job to at least, take the first step.
Babe, that's so wrong. That's the lame concept society has made us believe in. There is nothing wrong with a woman going after what she wants. Okay, what if a woman likes a guy and she does nothing about it, waits for the guy to make the first move, and he doesn't? Which would you prefer?
I don't know, I'm just confused.
Bemisola, just don't do anything. Just take things easy. Give him time to get to know you, to get to understand you. Give him the time to have you in his heart. Yeah, I'm just sure he's just trying to prove hard to get or something like that.
Hard to get. Do men play hard to get?
Are you serious right now? Of course men prove hard to get.
Anyways, I'm just here trying to cook something I think he might like.
Ooh, someone is really shooting her shot.
No, I'm not.
Anyways, I'm on my way back right now.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, see you soon. Bye.
What level of inefficiency is this? What level of inefficiency? You can never do anything right.
Hi, Richard.
Hi, Bemi, but this is not a good time.
Is everything okay?
I said this is not a good time for me, don't you get it?
This girl doesn't deserve to be treated like this. What was I even thinking?
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice.
Yeah?
I was only trying to be nice.
Bemi, just calm down. Listen, Richard is just playing hard to get. I'm very sure he likes you as well.
Oh no, I don't think so. He was cold.
There's another way.
Excuse me.
Yes? You just said he was cold, right?
Uh-huh.
How about you find out, or better still, how about you look for ways to warm him up?
Girl, please. The dinner didn't work and now must be a dreamer.
Dreamers are realists. expecting anyone?
No. Are you?
No.
Let me see who that is.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. It was...
That does not change the fact that you embarrassed me earlier.
Okay, can we just talk about it inside?
No. Please go home.
So? What did he say?
Between asking me out for dinner and apologizing for what he did earlier, I honestly didn't hear everything he said.
So what did you tell him?
Of course, I treated him exactly the way he treated me.
Benny, what is your problem? Why are you so dumb?
No, I am not dumb. I am only teaching him to treat me with due respect.
Okay. So, are you going to the dinner with him?
Of course, I'm not going to put myself through that. No.
Baby, this guy is extending his hands. He's trying to show you nice gestures here. The least you can do is accept it.
No. I will not put myself through that. No. There's no way I'm going
Yes, Auntie, you're going to do it.
No way.
Yes way.
No.
Yes!
I must say, this is good. And I am so sorry about
Apology accepted. Just be nicer next time.
Yes, ma'am.
I won't be eating much though because I already had dinner.
It's okay. I must say that your culinary skill is so amazing. so amazing. And
Careful. See, you shouldn't talk when you eat.
I think I'm rushing. Okay.
Thank you for eating my food.
And thank you for sharing. I guess we're even now. Or not.
Not. Be a good boy.
Okay.
And good night.
Good night.
Benny. Hello! Auntie, what is going on? Why are you so happy like this?
Don't be naughty, Esther.
Benny! Minutes ago, you were very angry. Like, you could not even smile, and right now you're all happy, all very smiley. What happened? What is it?
You know what? I'm just going to let this play out in my head, okay?
Girl, you're a virus.
I think that's a compliment.
It's not a compliment, though. Benny! I'm telling you.
I'm not interested.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Richard.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. You are absolutely stunning.
Well, you don't look too bad yourself.
Thank you.
Richard, this is Esther, my friend.
Yes.
Esther, Richard.
Hi again.
Hi
Esther.
again. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure's all mine. So you going out?
Oh yeah, we're going for a wedding.
Exactly. But what are you doing later today? We could
Nothing.
do dinner.
Oh, dinner is fine.
Right.
Yes.
Amazing.
Okay.
How about 7:30 p.m.?
7:30 is fine.
Perfect.
All right.
Yes.
All right. You guys should take care of yourself and bring back all the bouquets.
All right, that's fine.
Sure, bye.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
Why are you doing that?
What was I doing?
You were all over him.
Yo, calm down. I was just trying to be a friendly neighbor, that's all.
Friendly neighbor. Look, whatever it is you're doing or you're trying to do, stay clear from my man.
Ooh, someone is jealous. Whatever, it's not even my
I'm
spec anyway.
jealous. It's not your speck away all over him. Richard,
Auntie, please move the
Richard.
car. Make up.
Whatever. Stay away from him. Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are to walk away when I'm talking to you? Empty brain, nothing for health. Answer me! I'm talking to you.
Babe, did you notice something odd?
What?
When we were coming back from the wedding, Richard's car was parked downstairs, but there was no light in his apartment.
What's odd about that?
I mean, maybe, I don't know. Are you sure he's okay?
Bimsala, there is nothing wrong with that. Besides, you're just too worried about this guy because you're...
Because what?
Because you're so in love with him.
No, you don't have anything to say.
Oh well.
I mean, I'm only trying to be a good neighbor.
I didn't say anything, did I? Where are you? Was that for charity?
Excuse you?
I mean, is the food for charity case?
This, I'm taking to Richard. It's past 7:30 and he was not here for dinner, so...
That affirms the saying that the mountain goes to Muhammad if Muhammad doesn't come to the mountain. I like the way you're shooting your shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you're an neighbor, but try and borrow sense, yeah?
Maybe you could borrow me some sense, you know.
was your reason? Just explain it to me. Why did you not buy the fuel? I wanted to go and buy it and you said that you were going to get it. What level of inefficiency is this? What level of inefficiency? You can never do anything right. What's the matter with you? Talk to me. Say something. What's wrong with you? Why do you behave like a dunce? Talk. What was your reason for not buying it?
I need to finish the sketch.
Finish what bloody sketch? What is this nonsense?
The UNICEF.
The UNICEF what? Is it more important than what I want to do with the gen this night?
I will get the
You will get the phone when? When there's no false scarcity. You're going to line up there and keep me waiting. You don't even reason like a human being. What's the matter with this guy? You know that I have a very hot temper, you still try to keep... Now, let me see how important those things you are doing now. Huh? Waka!
What they did first, they sent the draft, then later they called for presentation. I was wondering why they sent the draft if they were going to do presentation.
Just like that. All right, darling.
All right, I'll see you then. What? I don't even see so funny. Oh my God. It's so funny. Okay.
Who was that?
Oh, no, we met at a presentation some time ago.
If you decide that you want to flirt, can you not have enough respect for me to wait until you leave this area?
It's not...
You are flirting with people on our street. On our street!
I'm sorry. Can we go?
Going again. Go and carry them all. You're free. Carry all the women that you see on the road. Carry all of them. Pack them from their houses and go with them to where you're going. They're waiting.
Go away. Just go.
Are you okay?
I am fine. Just go away.
Richard.
What is wrong with you? Can't you understand simply when someone said, I said I need to be left till...
What is going on with you?
You know I can't help you if you don't talk to me.
I said I'm fine.
Richard. Life is funny. It hits us when we least expect it. Pushes you to a place of pain. Takes away your sanity. I'm saying this because I've been there. I've been in that cubicle of pain. Depression even. These are very hard pills for anyone to take. So that's why it's okay. It's okay that you feel this way. It's okay that you feel powerless right now. It's okay that you feel down. It's okay that you want to detach yourself from the rest of the world. But it's always a better option to go in search of your inner peace. I might not be the one you want to talk to right now, but I'm here. Anytime you want to talk. I'll come for that later. Please eat.
Hey. What's up now? Bemi. What's wrong? Bemi Sola, what is wrong? Bemi. What happened? Bemi, stop it.
I don't understand why he would be so hard on himself like this.
Relax, alright? Relax. What exactly happened? What's wrong?
So I got his apartment. And everywhere was a mess. For God's sake, Esther, he's hooked on pills. He's so broken and I can't help him.
Bemi, you don't even know this guy well enough to be so concerned about him. Listen, Bimsola, trust me, you're not in love with this guy. Alright? You're still trying to get your life back. You just need a man in your life. For God's sake, you can't be too concerned about this guy.
But that's the point. I love him already.
Bimsola, stop it. You can't be serious right now.
I feel so helpless. He's such in a bad state. I can't.
It's okay, calm down. So, what exactly do you think is his problem?
I don't know. I've done everything to get him to talk to me. He wouldn't say anything to me.
Then that's fine. If you have tried your best to help him and he's not being receptive, leave him be.
You don't understand.
Bemi, trust me, I do. I understand the fact that you think you love this guy, but you do not. Okay? I need to ensure your emotional safety. I need to make sure your feelings doesn't get hurt in all of this. Bemi, trust me, you don't even know this guy. You guys barely know each other. This can't be love. You cannot be in love with him.
But I already do. I already love him.
Look, Bemisola, love is more complex than you think. Love can make you or mar you. You can't just fall sheepishly for this guy.
Why can't it just be simple?
Bemi, you barely even know this guy. You barely have a relationship with him. If you're feeling like this, what is going to happen?
What if? What if? What if? Is this not the same what if that we've always talked about? He's in pain. And I feel this way because I love him.
What if he doesn't love you?
It doesn't kill to try.
Look. Look, Bemi is going to be fine. Okay? He's probably going through a lot right now and needs some time to think. I also understand that you feel deeply for this guy, but please, can we just take it little by little? Please. Okay? Come here.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I really want to apologize for the words I used on you yesterday night. It was not my intention. I'm totally sorry.
Oh no, I'd rather apologize for, disturbing your privacy.
So, you are apologizing? Because if you are apologizing, you need to come straight with it. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
But it's not necessary.
Okay.
I would have invited you for lunch, but it looked like you're headed out.
Oh, no, I came to, apologize and head back inside. That's all.
Okay. Apology accepted. Yeah.
Same here.
Okay then. Lunch?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to finish up this.
Oh yeah, have fun. I'll pass.
All right.
Hey, you.
Hi.
I suppose this is something good.
He asked me out for lunch.
Ooh, you see? I told you. Things are falling into place. What if you had killed yourself over nothing last night?
I was just worried I was not going to kill myself.
Yes, you were worried. But no, you were not just worried. Wait, let me find the right word.
Now my headache with the discuss here.
Exactly. I got the right word. Hyper worried, actually.
Well, that just goes to show how much I feel about him and how real it is.
You know, I shot her at your definition of real.
Whatever. I got myself a date and that's what that matters.
Oh, she I don't go down for my hand, though.
Ah, my friend, I'm following your leg already.
Ah,
That's how I was saying I'm falling. I don't fall finish.
I just wish he had told me what was haunting him.
Listen, Bemi. We all have the demons we're fighting with, right? I really do not want you to compound yours with someone else's. Just let him be. Okay? Yeah.
Come in. Come in, come in.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, come on in, come on in.
You cook?
Well, actually, cooking is one of those special skills and competencies in my CV. I'll see you. Just make yourself comfortable before my food get burnt.
Okay.
Babe, what's up?
Girl, he cooks.
Are you serious right now?
Yes. Well, I guess I have to taste the food to find out.
Benny, you should appreciate his effort for making a meal for you and not his culinary skills.
Yeah. Bye.
Whatever, just get out of my phone. Alright, bye. Silly girl.
All right. One more minute. Excuse me. Please. Okay. Please.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome. I am sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay.
The first and the only woman I have ever loved. Not necessarily because of her physical attraction, but she was intellectually sound. And I loved the fire in her eyes. I loved the fact that she made her point clear. I loved the fact that she wanted equality, which is not a problem for me because, come on, it's human to want equality. So, we met during our, I think after our NYC. Yes, we met at a radio station where I was invited for an interview. And After that, I did the shoot your shot thing. And of course, it worked. She became my wife. After we got married, I made up my mind I was not going to submit my CV to anywhere. So I started building little by little my media company. And it was easy for her to become the face of every videos and documentaries that we did because she was quite vocal and she had this exhuming confidence, and it was just an amazing time.
So, apart from the attraction to her brain, were you guys ever compatible?
We talked. And we talked severally. We talked about almost everything. There were pointers, though. There were red herrings. And she was a product of single parenting. Her father had married another woman and eloped with her, leaving her mother with pregnancy. So it seems like the culture supported her plight. And she grew up having this natural hatred for men. But she said that what we had is different. And of course, I loved her. I loved her. So we got married. And after our marriage, I practically became the woman in the marriage. Honey, I'm off to work. Honey, your breakfast is served and your lunch is in the microwave. Honey, I'm off to work. Several times she threatened to kill me and move on. And I didn't take it seriously because I was just thinking, okay, maybe it's one of those couples fight, and there was no need to tell anybody, not even my lawyer.
So you didn't feel the need to reach out to anybody, not even your friends or your family?
Bemi, for me, I believe relationship is for two. Three is a crowd, let alone marriage. And I grew up with the mindset that if any marriage have to bring in people to settle their differences, then it's as good as broken.
Did you ever think of divorce?
At that time, no. I just felt she was going to change. But she didn't.
I understand, but you should have...
Opened up?
Yeah.
You know this thing about love, right? It has a way of turning on our mumu button. I pray you don't get there.
Oh yeah, I've been there. I think I'm still there right now.
That's not a good place to be sometimes.
I know. But don't worry, we're not going to have the same experience.
Anyway, I was tired. I couldn't take it anymore. I was hoping that she was going to change, and I was that church boy, and I believe that the only basics for divorce is...
No! Not when your life is at stake. You see, there's a right time to leave these abusive relationships or marriages, but you know, we're humans. We just stay put because we want our lives to align with other people's opinions. And that's just wrong.
Well, I guess I was inexperienced at that time.
I think you were afraid. What were you afraid of?
Hitting a woman.
Don't walk away when I'm talking to you. That is the height of disrespect.
I said I'm sorry.
Don't walk away when I'm talking to you, my friend. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are?
I said I'll take care of it.
Why did you walk away when I was talking?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Who do you think you are? Eh? Who do you think you are to walk away when I'm talking to you?
Why are you being violent with me?
Oh, me being violent. So what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it, Richard? I want to know. What are you going to do about my being violent? Why did you walk away?
You need to stop being violent.
Whoa, now he stands. You think it's my height? You think it's my height? You empty skull. Empty brain, nothing in your head. Answer me. I'm talking to you.
That singular act keeps haunting me. There was nothing as devastating as hitting the woman you love. After the whole thing, she sued me to court for abuse, which I got a jail term for. After the jail, she filed for a divorce, which the court granted.
Listen, I'm struggling here. I'm really struggling to understand. Are you haunted by your broken marriage or your jail term?
Both. I can't seem to move past it. The whole experience,
That is because you have not forgiven yourself. You need to forgive yourself and move on.
I have tried. I literally can't.
You can. You just need to try.
I have tried.
You need to try harder. Listen, Richard. This is life. We all go through stuff. We all go through things that drive you into the darkness. But you owe it to yourself to fight your way out of that darkness back into the light. Because believe me, there is so much love and light that this life has to offer still. Yes. I want to help you. I want to help you out of this, but you need to get to that place where you are ready to open up. Okay?
Okay.
It's really past lunchtime, so I have to go.
I'm seriously sorry. What about if you stay for dinner?
Dinner? You sure?
Yeah.
Yes, because do you understand what it means to invite a woman for dinner?
Well, I don't know exactly what it means, but I'm sure it means the same thing as inviting a man for dinner. You invited me for, for dinner.
Okay, nice. No, I have to go. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay.
Listen, take care of yourself, okay?
I will. Thank you.
Thank you for the food.
Cool. Thank you for everything.
This feels so good. But I don't think it feels so right.
I can literally hear her heartbeat.
Let me be the one you need alone. And my shoulders you can cry on. Let me wipe away those tears, tears of yesteryears. Oh, lady, always stand by you, my baby. Through the thick and thin, no shaking. Because in you I feel the vibe. My paintings come alive. Oh, baby, I can see it in your eyes. Oh, the hurt you feel inside. Tragedies of life, try to hide. Try to hide. Oh, when you go, let it be on you tomorrow. Let me take away your sorrow. Ever since you feel my hurt, girl.
Hello.
Sunshine in my life.
Thank you so much for reminding me that I have to go home.
Oh, not really. I was thinking of going to a nice place. You in?
Oh, fine. Yes, I'm in. I'm in.
Okay, good. I'll be at the Mumbo. You know the Mumbo, right? Yeah. I'll be there at 7:30.
Okay. You know what? Why don't you just take a cab? I'll drive us home. How about that?
Such a gentleman. Okay. I'll be there in, say, 30 minutes.
All right.
Okay.
Hey, hang up.
No, you hang up.
It's such a thorn.
Yeah. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Let me take away your sorrow. Bring the sunshine to your head.
I just love to watch you drink.
Okay, stop.
Thank you for coming out.
No, thank you for coming out. And I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, it's okay. You make it sound like...
Official? It's not that. It's just maybe you had something else scheduled or something.
I would have rescheduled.
Okay?
Okay. All right. Cheers to
A great weekend.
quick weekend. Is good.
It's a nice place.
Oh, really? Do you mean that?
I don't really mean that.
Okay. So how do you, why would you say things you don't mean?
Well, there's some things you should say just so that, you know, can... So that...
No, don't say, stop saying that.
No, wait,
Okay.
wait, let me explain.
What you're trying to explain does not make sense at all.
No,
I'm serious.
Listen.
Say it.
No, it's...
Hey you.
Morning.
Hi, sleepyhead. Lucky you. Prince Charming had to bring you home last night.
Uche brought me home. What happened?
I don't know. I just knew that he brought you home and dropped you on your bed.
That's impossible.
What is impossible? You were sleeping, weren't you? Are you expecting anyone?
No. Maybe Sue's at the door.
Alright, that's fine. Fine girl. I wish I was you.
Good job.
Hi.
Hi. Off to work?
Yeah, how was your night?
My night?
Yes, I just wanted to know if your night was okay.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. For yesterday, Esther...
Oh, yeah, and for that, I am so sorry. Totally sorry.
It's okay. Esther is traveling for a summit.
Okay. It's good to know that you'll be home with her.
Yeah, because I could use some company.
Huh?
I don't know if you'll have time for me.
Oh, yeah, sure. Why not?
Hello. Hi, Richard.
Hi.
Hi. Babes, I have to get going now. My ride is here.
Okay.
But please, take good care of yourself, right?
You too, baby. Call me.
Alright, Richard.
I take care of you.
You too.
So, I have to be on my way now. I will see you in the evening, right?
Okay.
Alright, you take care of yourself.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Alright.
Lost weight in wait as I await him, my heart's Messiah, the one who brings the sun, the color of my blood, and the energy of star, the illumination of opaqueness, the matter that fills my void. I've been searching for this Messiah. I've been longing for his kiss, for his touch, or his love. The one whose side I can't leave. The one who would say, please stay.
That is the most amazing poem I've heard in a long time.
Okay.
No, I'm serious.
Thank you.
So tell me, apart from writing, what else do you do for fun?
Are you sure you would like to see?
Sure, I would like to see it.
Are you sure? Because I don't want to show you and...
Across my heart, I would not laugh. I'm serious.
Okay.
Bemi, come on, open the door and let's talk.
Richard, just go. I don't want to talk to you.
At least tell me what I did. Bemi.
Richard, I don't want to see you. I don't want to talk to you ever again, okay?
Bemi, I know you love me. So doing this to yourself is only hurting you the more.
What does it matter? What does it matter if I hurt myself?
Does it matter what matters or not?
Richard, just go! Just go!
Fine.
Fine. I don't blame you. It's because I fell so cheaply for you.
Hello?
Hello, Richard. Surprised?
How did you get my number?
I am 5 seconds away from your apartment.
What do you want?
Open the door and find out.
You're joking.
You know too well I don't do jokes.
I loved you, Richard. I believed we were a thing that was meant to be.
Stop saying that. Ours is already faded picture.
The fact that things turned out the way they did doesn't negate our feelings for each other.
Feeling. You ruined my life. How can I still have feeling for devil like you?
Not the devil. I just showed you another side of love. The side of the rose flower that has thorns. Love has so many aspects to it, and pain is just one of them.
So, what have you gained?
Knowledge.
Knowledge. How?
Not for me. For you. Now you know never to hit a woman.
That was just once. You abused me emotionally for 2 years. 2 years, you refuse us having children. You refuse taking my name. You took your maiden name, but I never had a problem with that because I believe in universal equal right. But you practically turned me into your puppet. You subjected me into the life of servitude. You ruined my life. And what did I gain from enduring all of these things? Jail.
It was all because I loved you.
You loved me? What kind of love is that?
I just wanted a man who was willing to bear. I wanted a man who would stay forever, even if he was pushed to the limits.
You're sick. You're very sick.
I'm sick. A woman who is in love is sick. Look at me, Richard. Look at me and tell me you don't love me anymore.
Stop saying that. You shouldn't have made me go through that hell.
That is why I'm here. To apologize.
Apologize? And you think saying sorry will magically take away the pain from...
I love you, Richard. And I know you love me too.
No. It's been 4 years, and I have moved on. Not what you think. Get me. See what you've cost? You shouldn't have come back here.
Who is she? Who is she? Does she know you? Does she know you like I do? Richard.
That wasn't the past.
Richard!
Demi!
Richard! Richard! Richard!
Bemi, it's not what you think.
I saw you kiss her. And it's not what I think. You know what? This is not my business, right? We're not together, so I don't have the right to be angry. So,
come on, Bemi, you don't... You know you mean more to me, right?
liar. Liar! You used me as a means to an end.
No.
You've always had her in your life, and you play with my emotions.
No, come on, Benny. Don't talk like that. You know I love you, right?
But you never said it. She never said that to me. Not for one day. And now I know why. It's her.
No. That is my past. And I can never go back to it. You show me a new course for life. You brought happiness and love into my life. You pulled me out of the haunting memories of my past. I can never, ever go back there. Never.
I'm sorry, Richard. You love her. You might say this now, but you've always loved her. She's the first woman that you've ever loved, so...
Whitney.
This cannot work.
Everything has changed.
No, it hasn't changed. It hasn't changed.
Whitney, please. Please. Do not let this end before starting. Please. Please. Okay. Please. Please.
We were not meant to be. You have to go. Okay, just leave. Please, just go.
How can you be so gullible? How can you be so gullible to think that I'd come back for you, Richard? Right from the beginning, you were never my kind of man.
You see this same weakling? He made you everything that you are right now.
Weakling! You know just the right name for yourself. But you're even worse off.
I know what you're trying to do. You are trying to resonate those feelings, but you are my past. It won't work.
I know that deep down you still love me. But I will never let you be happy. You will never be happy until you pay for everything my father put me and my mother through.
What exactly did I do wrong? What exactly is my fault? What did I do that I had to appear at the bitter end of your story? I don't even know your father, but I was good to you. I was a good husband.
Then you should have continued being submissive.
His job was to love you, not submit to you. You bitterness in human skin.
Excuse me? Who are you?
Oh, I am someone who has come to tell you to take your bitterness elsewhere. You are one hell of a disjointed, broken, ruptured soul that will stop at nothing but to destroy her victim. Do you want this man to die? Do you want a man who has loved you and married you to die of your ungratefulness? Woman, you have done yourself a great deal of bad things. Now pick your stuff and get out!
And what if I say I'm not leaving my husband?
Your ex-husband. Now pick your things and get out.
Oh yes, take your stuff. Go. Right now.
Take your things out.
Leave!
Get out! Baby, I
was never okay with this shoot your shot thing. All he wanted from me was sex.
Baby, stop it. Don't do this to yourself. Baby, you're just human. Look at me. Benisola, look at me. You are a strong woman, right? You are a writer of strong and very good influence. Yeah, you like this guy and you may have acted directly to push the relationship forward. Yes, you did those things, but you guys can talk it through. I just want you to let things happen naturally. Trust me, Richard loves you. And I know he yearns to have you in his life. Okay?
Okay, so what do I do?
I don't know, just give him a chance. You guys should talk.
I can't. I don't think I can.
Bemisola, you can. All you need to do is believe that you can't give him a chance, and that's all.
But he loves her. He still wants her back. I'm sure he still wants her back, and I cannot put myself through this again.
It's okay, baby. Hey, yeah.
Oh no, I'm not. I don't want to eat anything.
I don't understand, Bemisola.
I'm not hungry.
Listen to me. Bemisola, I have to be very blunt with you. You brought this upon yourself. And this whole emotional punishment is your fault. And now you also want to starve yourself?
I just don't want to eat anything, okay?
Are you serious right now? It's been 3 days, Bemisola, since you started starving yourself. How long is this supposed to last?
I guess until I'm able to find my sanity.
Look, I think it's about time you faced this squarely. Starving yourself is not going to help you find your sanity. For me, I would suggest if you know the exact way you lost your sanity, you go through the same process and get it back. And in your case, it's love. Bemisola, love can make you or mar you. And with the looks of things, babes, it's about to mar you.
Sister, you lied to me.
Can you just not focus on that, please? And don't conclude also, it's too early. At least hear him say something. Let him just say anything. Or better still, you can take the easier route. You can forget everything that has happened between you guys and just move on with him. Yes, of which, in my opinion, is the best option right now. Bemi, love has a lot of complications. And I think it's about time you embrace it. Now eat your food.
No. No.
Can't do this.
I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I was just about arranging a lot of things before you called. And Bemi, I am sorry for everything.
Listen, that's not why I called you here. I didn't call you here for your explanation and apology or anything like that.
Okay. So why did you call me here then?
I guess I just want to know where your heart is. I want to be sure.
Honestly, Bemi, a few months ago before I met you, love was not something I wanted to do, especially because of my past experiences, and I was done. But you came into my life and you warmed up the coldness inside of me and opened new portals to different possibilities of love that I never knew existed. Remy, you are so special to me. You have become so important to me, just like the air, and I can't live without you. Remy, I need you like the bee needs the nectar to make honey. I need you like the breath that I breathe. I need you. You are everything to me right now. Just give me the permission to become the man in your life. Make me that man who will light up your morning every day. That sunshine, please.
Yes! Yes! Oh my goodness. And that was a great test of poetry.
What are you doing here?
Chillax. You should be thankful I'm here.
I asked her to come in case you said no.
And I convinced him that you will never say no. So you see, happily ever after.
You are a thorn in my flesh.
Whatever. Okay, so now that you know the beautiful thing has been done, when is the wedding?
Slow down.
Don't worry, very soon. Okay, I think this is not the right place for this celebration. Let's take it somewhere.
Yes, we should.
Here comes the bride and groom. It's beautiful. Oh, okay.